There's my pickled eggs from yesterday. As you can see, I did add a couple pickles and I topped it up. You see all the garlic and the eggs. There's the new jar of pickles. And then I decided I was going to make my own pickle juice. So that's what we have here. Yummy, I think. Anyway, that is in there. All right, I mean, in that jar, right here, a tablespoon of dill weed, because I didn't have fresh. 3 of these big garlics that I smashed, diced, and name it. And then I have 2 pickles that I diced up, chopped up. Now it has 1 cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and a half a cup of white vinegar. Some of these recipes call for red pepper flakes and all kinds of stuff, and I don't want to go there. I want to keep this plain and simple right now, because I can. Now, I gotta find my other frozen garlic and put some in my pickle jar, because that's what's good too. Now I'll let you know how this tastes. I'll probably taste it this afternoon. And we will see what comes of this. I've been reading that pickle juice is beneficial. And like I said, when the cat's out, the mouse gets to play. Dagney will one day regret ever going to New Mexico. No, she's got to go. She's got to see Mommy. So, there you have it. Ooh. As an aside, this garlic that I put in the pickle juice and do stuff with, it does not get squishy. And I just throw it in frozen, as you saw yesterday, and it doesn't turn purple from the vinegar. And it really has a nice texture and tastes delicious when we eat it. So there. But I can't eat it for a couple days. And I didn't put any onions in any of this pickle this time. Onions are not considered super low carb. So, do or die, I'm going to try this keto stuff. By the looks of it, I just might die. Wish me luck.